something about yourself.
Good day, sir, madam. I am Diana Abcalan. I am 23 years old and single. We are 6 siblings in our family. I have 2 brothers and 3 sisters, and I am the last child in our family. I am a vocational graduate. I took up hotel and restaurant services. With regards to my working experience, I worked before as a housekeeper to Mrs. Ara Castro Santo.
From what year?
From 2007 to 2009.
Okay, so how many persons did you serve?
I have served 2 persons consisting of 1 adult and 1 newborn baby boy.
Okay, so tell me what were your duties?
The duties are washing the clothes, cooking, ironing, and taking good care of the baby. Feeding the baby, bathing the baby, changing the diapers of the baby, and playing with the baby. I also work as a caregiver to Mrs. Adoracion Latif from 2009 to present. My duties are accompanying her to her doctor, assisting her when strolling, assisting her when needed, and assisting her when bathing, and giving her a simple massage.
Okay, so how old was the elderly? How old is she?
She is 75 years old.
Okay, so why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I want to go to Hong Kong to earn my own money and to support my family.
Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
No, ma'am, but I am willing to learn, and I'm willing to learn.
Okay, so aside from the daily household works you've said, do you have any other special skills with you?
I know gardening. I know cross stitching. I can do simple sewing, and I can do gardening.
Okay, tell me what are the good characteristics of a good domestic helper?
The good characteristics of a good domestic helpers are hardworking, patient, kind, friendly, honest, respectful, and polite.
Okay. To sum it up, your control number 788, your name is Diana Abcalan, you are 23 years old and you're single, and you are a graduate of a vocational course, which is hotel and restaurant services. And with regards to your working experience, we've worked from 2007 to 2009 to Mrs. Ara Castro Santo as a housekeeper, and you've served 2 persons consisting of 1 adult and a newly born baby boy. So your duties were to do the cooking, the laundry, the ironing, and you also took good care of the baby by feeding the baby, bathing the baby, changing the diaper of the baby, and playing with the baby. And you also worked to Mrs. Adoracion Latif as a caregiver from 2009 up to present, and your duties were to assist the elderly in bathing and strolling, and accompanying her to her doctor and giving her simple massage. You said you don't know how to cook Chinese food, but as you said, you are willing to learn. For now, what is your message for a future employer?
To my future employer, if you ever choose me as your domestic helper, I will do my responsibility and I will do my work well, and I promise to finish my 2 years contract or more.